Hey, wake up, this is a kidnapping.
Oh, yay, where are we going?
Well, first you're gonna get in my van.
We're going to do a one shot here.
Wait a minute. I just started recording.
Okay, so we're going to do a self-balding. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to look good for my FBI picture. Because I'm meeting up with the FBI in a couple days. It'll look good for my mugshot. And
You're not cutting anything off?
if you're going to get it cut off,
No.
there is a pointless video. Hold on. Keep on going. I don't give a shit. This cutting thing doesn't work very well. I mean, look at like one of the guys from the Three Stooges, man. Is it working?
No. I mean, it's working, but it's not cutting very much off.
Yeah, turn it off. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Huh? I don't even know what I'm looking at. I don't know. Yeah. Just go. I'll fix it later. I'm just trying not to get fucking hurt. So there's the chunk of hair we had. And you saw the before. Hey, Ron, you want to take this? And this is the after. Woo-hoo. Looking pretty sexy. I don't know. Maybe we'll go with the razor blade. Who knows?